I'm already a confident person, but I wanted to have a full head of hair just to have more confidence and to look good and feel good. It's good for my profession, what I do for a living, to look good. So for me, it was just about a confidence boost, and that's exactly what I got. Before I came in and made the decision, I did have doubts, I did have fears. I was concerned that it wouldn't go perfectly, that maybe something wouldn't happen, that something might go bad. You hear things on Reddit and different stories about going to Mexico to get the transplant, some negativity. So I did have that initial fear, but after doing my research, I found HMR and figured that they were the best in Tijuana. And so here I am now. The staff was incredible. Everyone was so nice and sweet to me. Everything was prompt, everything was well taken care of. The facility was super clean. The doctor was amazing. I got my hair transplant by Dr. Cortez, who did obviously an incredible job. And so the experience for me was incredible. If you're considering a hair transplant, just go and get one. If it's something you want, go ahead and do it. You can go to California and get it done for $20,000 by a doctor that maybe does a couple a week, or you can come here to a facility. They do one a day, maybe two a day. They're so good at it, they're doing it all the time. And so for me, what I did, this is the way I looked at it, is I wanted the best that Tijuana or Mexico had to offer. I had the procedure, it was perfect, it was well done. I've already shown it to people, other doctors that have said that HMR did an incredible job, that Dr. Cortez did an incredible job. But it's not just Dr. Cortez, it's his whole team. But yeah, I was treated so well coming here. It's the best medical experience I've had in my entire life. If you're thinking about it, that means it should be done. So go ahead and do it and get that confidence boost.